Hi there, this is Philip again with my Android Bootcamp project for Chapter 8. This week I decided to go with the application where you design a booking app for the restaurant Wild Ginger. Essentially, this involved creating a time picker and allowing the user to select a time for the delivery of their food. That being said, it also required a decision structure due to the fact that Wild Ginger only delivers between the hours of 5 p.m. and 11 p.m. That being said, let's go ahead and jump directly into the code. My first activity is essentially just a splash screen that loads up the application. It does play a little bit of sound effect, so on and so forth. Moving to the major part of the application, which is where the user can actually book their appointment. So I did find that the textbook and the actual practice of using a time picker are a little bit different. The textbook mainly focused on the date picker, and the time picker kind of went to the wayside. So that being said, I was able to use some resources like Stack Overflow and also YouTube in order to kind of figure out how to set the time picker up to where it was in the format that I needed it to be. But essentially, I declare everything that I'm going to be using up front, including the dialog ID for the time picker. Basically set my button up to go ahead and show that time picker. And then of course I've got the time picker set up here. I did go with the is 24-hour view false for this, but also converted it over down here in order to where it would show the correct time, so on and so forth. So that being said, we'll go ahead and take a look at the application running. Okay, so in terms of the actual application, I basically used a table layout and also a linear layout in order to set up my app. Up top we've got the title. Here we've got basically just a description of the different food that Wild Ginger offers. And then we've got the button down here. So when we click the button, it's going to open up the time dialog. Now, in order to demonstrate what it does when you select a time that is not available, all right, we'll go ahead and take a look at it. All right, so it's going to tell us that they only deliver between 5 p.m. and 11 p.m. So we can click again, and let's choose a time that they will deliver at. All right, so we'll say 10:15. And it's going to tell us when our meal will arrive. So I hope you have enjoyed taking a look at my application for this week. I'm looking forward to being able to implement several of these ideas as we move forward and continue to enjoy learning about Android and Java. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.